You believe you are a singular, solid entity. You say, I think, I feel, I do. You are mistaken. You are a machine, ticking away in the dark. Look at Marcus Aurelius, emperor, philosopher, titan. Yet, in Book 1, he does not boast. He performs an autopsy. He dissects his own personality to see who or what built him. From his grandfather, good morals. From his mother, abstinence. From his governor, endurance. Do you see? These are not virtues. They are software installations. He admits he is a collage of others, a patchwork of external influences. He is observing the machine of his personality. Most of us, we never look at the gears. We just let them grind. From Rusticus, he received the shock, the impression that his character required correction. This is the moment the sleeper stirs, the realization that the machine is broken. He learned not to be a pedant from Alexander, to stop the mechanical urge to correct others. That petty, automatic ego that screams, I am right. We are all guilty of this sleeping sickness. From Fronto, he saw the envy and duplicity of tyrants. He observed how power puts the soul into a deeper coma. The patricians, they lacked affection. They were cold, biological automatons. But from Maximus, here is the goal. Self-government, the ability to not be led aside by anything, to stand still while the world spins in chaos. This is the formation of a magnetic center. Pivot now. Look at yourself. If you removed everything you learned from your parents, your teachers, your trauma, what remains? Is there anyone home? Marcus was fighting to find his essence underneath his personality. He refused to be a sleepwalker on a throne. He engaged in the work of self-observation. Painful, necessary. You are acting out a script written by dead men. Your anger, your desires, your fears, they are mechanical reactions. Until you see them as separate from you, you are not alive. The meditations are not a book of comfort. They are a manual for breaking out of the matrix of habit. Wake up, the show is over.